Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. Today's video, we're going to downtown to see the cherry blossom. So nandito na kami sa downtown guys, at ito na building is University Toronto Downtown Campus and also Roberts Library Building. So, try namin chine-check yung address at ito pala guys. Pero, parang wala namang cherry blossom. Kaya, natatawa kami na saan yung cherry blossom. So, sabi ng asawa ko, punta muna tayo sa likod. Baka nandun. So, nandun pala sa gilid na building na to. So, ito na guys. Nandito na kami. So, nandito pala sa gilid ng Library Roberts. Ang cherry blossom guys, wala sa front. So, nakikita nyo na blooming pa yung cherry blossom. So, after a week dito, wala na to. Malalaglag na yung mga petals niya. So, we're lucky guys kasi nabutan pa namin na nagbo-bloom pa yung cherry blossom, and also this is the best place in the city to see cherry blossom. So here in downtown Toronto guys, so next time you can visit here at 130 Street, Church Street, Roberts Library here in Toronto. So the best date that you can see into cherry blossom guys here in Toronto is April last week and first week of May. Not too many people to come over here kasi medyo maaga pa at malamig din. So we're lucky na hindi masyadong crowded at that time. So nag-i-enjoy talaga ako naglalakad at paikot-ikot sa place na to kasi wala masyadong tao at hindi crowded. So, let's go guys. Ipasyal ko kayo dito. So, punta tayo sa dulo guys kasi mas marami doon at saka maganda kasi maliit lang yung trees na cherry. At tingnan mo, hindi katulad sa High Park guys na medyo malaki yung kanilang trees, at dito is sakto lang. So ito, nag-enjoy kami paikot-ikot sa asawa ko guys kasi maganda talaga dito kung may araw. Kaso hindi walang araw guys, pero okay lang naman kasi maganda pa rin yung kalalabasan ng video namin. So guys, mark your date na pupunta kayo sa mga cherry blossom before it's too late. For me guys, this is the most beautiful time of the year for spring season. I see a little fall the petals on the ground, so you still have a time. Looks like until probably be here for another week. Thank you for watching my video guys. I hope you like it and have a good weekend everyone. Bye. See you my next vlog. God bless.